Hi friends, welcome to the channel of ExcelWorld by Raghav. In today's tutorial, we will learn the three most widely used logical functions in Excel. They are if, and, or. Let's have a glance of if function. If function is used primarily to understand the performance. This table shows the names of the salesperson, amount of sales done by each salesperson, and sales commission. The company has decided to offer 2% as commission amount if salesperson makes sales of minimum 1 lakh, and for those salesperson who have not achieved the target of 1 lakh, then company advised them to work hard. Now let's look at keeping these conditions as if. The formula is equals to if. Then press tab, then select the amount. As said, the company is giving the commission only if the sales are minimum 1 lakh. So is equals to greater than and is equals to 1 lakh. Then put a comma. Then reselect the amount, and as the sales percent is at 2%, we have to multiply it. So enter the 2%, 2 and percent. Then as said, if the salesperson is not entitled, or if the sales is below 1 lakh, then company has said them to work on, which I have just typed. Here in this work card you can write anything. So now I have to apply this formula to the remaining salesperson. So I'll just copy the first column and I will go down and paste to the all salesperson. From the given list of salesperson, these two persons are not eligible for the commission, so they have to work on. This is how the if function works.